done for you. 50,000 tears I've cried, screaming.
Also, I'm on a bouncy chair, so that would be fun. I have washed my face and moisturized it, and this is my bare face. There's nothing on here, so enjoy it while you can, because it's about to get caked. First of all, I'm going to start off with concealer, of course. This is Fit Me by Maybelline. I'm just almost out of it, but yeah, this is what I use as concealer. It's not the best concealer, but it's what I have in my makeup bag, so it's what I'm going to use. So I'm just going to start by concealing my blemishes. Alright, that's it, guys. Let's go. Let's go hit the town. I'm just kidding, obviously. That was a joke. So I'm going to use this beauty blender, and I'm just going to go in. I'm going to make some funny faces. I am going to go in with my foundation, which is Infallible Pro Glow by L'Oreal Paris. I love this foundation. It has been my go-to foundation for the past few months. So the Pro Glow part, it has like little flecks of highlighter in it, so it's really pretty, and I always like foundations that give you that that glowy look. So I'm just gonna go in with that again with my beauty blender.
Alright, and we don't want to forget to get that neck because we...
Alright, so now we have our foundation on. You can't see my blemishes anymore. Woohoo! Did I mention I was on a bouncy chair? So then I'm going to take some e.l.f. powder. This is just it's soft luminance powder.
And bleeding for you, and you still won't hear me.
And now it's time to create lines. Well, create depth to my face with bronzer. I'm not good with words, in case y'all didn't notice. So, I am using the e.l.f. bronzer palette, but I kind of created a little summer palette because these little things. So you can kind of like mix and match them. So I had a blush palette and then I had a bronzer palette. And so I took the lighter shades from the blush palette and the lighter shades from the bronzer palette, and I made a little summer palette for me. It's just a little tip for you. So I'm going to go in with this matte bronzer. It's a very light shade. And then I'm going to hit it. And then I'm just going to make a dumb fish face. Alright, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. This is definitely makeup on a budget.
Your hand this time, I'll save myself. Maybe I'll wake up for once.
So now that we're all bronzed up, I'm gonna take some blush and I'm gonna go in with that pretty coral shade. Get some of that on here. Now we are ready for highlighter. So I'm gonna go and I'm just putting the stuff that I'm not using anymore on this side. Now, this is my favorite highlighter that I've ever found, favorite drugstore highlighter that I've ever found. It's Master Chrome by Maybelline New York. It is the bomb. So it's like a gold, it's molten gold. That's the shade that I have, so I really, really, really like it.
Defeated by you, just when I thought I reached the bottom.
Now eyebrows, sometimes I use different things. Sometimes I use this e.l.f. palette because it's more precise, but it doesn't have as full of coverage. And it has a gel and a powder. So I think I'm going to use this today because I want to be precise with my eyebrows. So let me find my eyebrow brush, and here it is. It's just a Sephora eyebrow brush. Just a plain Jane brush. And I'm going to get that gel. This is in the shade medium. So I got the medium palette. So now I'm just going to start under the eyebrows. If you do get a lot at first, the coverage isn't terrible. So if you like really get your brush in there, you know, you can get some product on there. The next thing I'm going to do is put some highlight under the eyebrow. This is just a silver NYX eyeliner pencil. So I'm just going to go and use this under my eyebrows. You know what? I'm just going to use my finger. I use this for every day. It's like a bronzy, champagne-y color. So that's what I use all over my my eyes. And then I go in with my ring finger, and I take this pretty pearly color, and I use my finger to do the inner corner, just because I like how it's like the perfect size for that, and it does the job right. So see, look at that shimmer, look at that shimmer. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with this shimmery brown, and I'm gonna use a crease brush, a Sephora crease brush.
Blurring and stirring the truth and the lies.
Alright, so the next thing I do is I go in with my Liner Intense liquid eyeliner by L'Oreal. This is my favorite. I've been using this for years. So, just shake it up a little bit. Get the juices flowing. And then I like a thicker line sometimes. Sometimes I like a thinner line. But today I'm feeling a thinner line. Since I went so hard with the eyeshadow. Hard in the paint, yo. This is the struggle us ladies have to deal with, is trying to get both eyes to look the same. Alright, you know what? You know what I say about my eyes right now? Good enough. Alright, so then I just started using this mascara. This is CoverGirl, the Super Sizer Big Curl. And I really like mascaras that have the curved wand, because I have such stubby lashes that I need something that's gonna get in there. Now that you've made a dumb face and you've got some shit on your eyes, it's time for lips. And guys, I'm obsessed with this baby right here. This is Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink, and I love this shit. It stays on like forever unless you scrub it off. But it's kiss proof. It's eating proof. You can basically wear this shit all day and nothing's gonna happen to it. Now it's a little bit sticky at first when you put it on, but after it sets in, it's just beautiful. So my favorite shade that I've been wearing is like this purpley gray color. You probably can't see it well on this shitty camera, but I love this. The color is Huntress. I'm gonna hunt you down. Yes, I will, because I'm a huntress.
Always confusing the thoughts in my head. So I can't trust myself anymore.
Ta-da! I love this color so much. It's so me. So, yeah, that's the end of my makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and come back on my channel to find new stuff.
Yeah.